Hi, YouTube.
Hey, two friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews, and today it's a follow-up to my other video that I did about Sunbasket food deliveries. I told you that I had certain foods that were delivered and I wanted to try it out so I could let you guys know what I thought of the delivery service. One thing I want to say is that during this kind of challenging times when people are stuck in the house, there are opportunities to learn how to cook. So anything that you get from the Sunbasket or any of these other food delivery services, you can cook it and you can buy the ingredients yourself. The beauty of these meals that they're prepared already. Sometimes they're pre-prepared where it takes, like the one I'm going to show you today takes 15 minutes to prepare. And then some may take 45 minutes to prepare because you got to cut vegetables and things like that. I'll drop in some video from my previous video just so you can see how it comes in the box, just to do a recap. This is what it comes with. This is what it looks like when it comes. Not super expensive. Like I said, I have a referral code. If you hit the referral code, you get, I think, $40 off or something like that. So you can get 2 meals that come out to 18 bucks. And these 2 meals feed 4 people. So if you're a single person, that's 4 days of eating for 18 bucks, which is actually quite reasonable. But the nice part about it is that most of the meals that they send you, you can prepare yourself if you know the ingredients, and they send you the ingredient cards and they tell you everything about it. So I want to show you what was prepared. They come in these nice like bamboo containers. Here are the meals. It tells you this is a Panang beef curry with jasmine, rice, and sweet peas. So this is part 1 of the dish. And I'm gonna actually put it into a plastic container because there's no way that I'm gonna eat. I could eat all of this, but I'm not gonna eat all of this. And then here's the jasmine rice with the sweet peas. In terms of the prep for this, basically you put the peas, I'm gonna use a plate. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna use a plate. I'm just gonna microwave it. And so this is a microwavable meal, which is easy. But the other meal that I got in the thing, and I'll make that for you too. I just gotta go get some ground bison meat because I want to use bison meat for that instead of the ground pork that they sent. It is a noodle dish, which is going to require me to boil the noodles. It has zucchinis in it, requires me to chop it. It has radishes, onions. I'm going to have to dice all that, and we'll go through that so you can see the prep process. But this is a super, super quick video because I'm going to show you how quickly I can do this, and then we're going to pause it so that way you don't have to wait while it's heating up, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like once it's all put together. So let's open it up. And then we're going to figure out how much we need to get out of here. Because I'm going to put this in different containers anyway. And they actually seal it pretty well. Like I said, it came on an ice bed or whatever they call that thing. It's like dry ice, packed, and it comes to your house. And so the rice is actually pretty nice. To me, there's definitely way more beef curry than there is rice. It's not that much rice. I mean, when you think about it, if I put it all to one side, it doesn't seem like enough rice for one person. So you can supplement this by making rice at the grocery store. You can buy a big bag of jasmine rice, but Mahatma makes actually pretty good jasmine rice. And you can make that either on the stove or in a rice cooker because this jasmine rice, it's supposed to be long grain rice. But that doesn't look, oh, see, I knew that was gonna happen. As soon as I put it over my computer, at least put it over my computer again, it'll just drop on my computer. But anyway, it doesn't look like super long grain rice. How I'm gonna prepare this, just so you know, we're gonna move this a little bit. I am putting the rice as a bed, and then the curry, I'm gonna lay on top of it, and then we're gonna heat it up. So I'm gonna probably, well, I guess I can open it, because I'm not gonna use this container again. But these bamboo containers are kind of cool. But the beef, just so you can see what it looks like. Oh, I was expecting that. It smells really good. Like it's restaurant quality cuisine, which I like. If you look at this, look. So the beef seems like shredded beef. Smells really good. And then you can just scoop it out. We're gonna put that on the top. And I'm gonna take half of this, and we're just gonna put this on the top. Actually, I probably don't even need this much beef, but, and then I'll leave half to put in this container. I'm gonna put all of that together in this container so I don't have to save that. So we're gonna pause right here. I'm gonna heat this up, and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you what it looks like actually cooked. All right, so let's pause it. So YouTube friends, I'm back. My meal is prepared. Oh, look at that, super nice. I put this in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. And this, again, not all meals come in easy prepare containers. While we were away, I cleaned up a little bit. Like I said, these bamboo containers that they come in are actually pretty nice. This one, I'm cleaning it, I'm drying it, and then you can use them to put like, I don't know, pens in or something like that. But all the stuff that they package their stuff in is biodegradable. Even the plastic wrap that you saw is like a organic kind of plastic. I don't know what they describe, but it's made out of organic materials to make that plastic. In this meal, which is the Panang, the braised beef Panang curry, in this meal is beef shoulder, coconut milk, because it's a very Thai dish, diced tomatoes, onions, bell peppers, mild green chilies. Because it's mild green chilies, my new favorite, the eye of the scorpion, but in safe doses. You guys saw from my other video, my new favorite. It actually spices up a little bit, goes a long way. So I like this, my new favorite. Lemongrass, which is that distinct smell that, well, you can't smell it, but I can smell it. And then it has lime zest, juice, garlic, ginger, arrowroot powder. They use kosher salt, black pepper, turmeric, coriander, cumin, Ancho chili powder, and cardamom, and then extra virgin oil. So they give you all the ingredients to make this dish at home without having to order from them. So for every meal that you get, you have an opportunity to make the meals. And then for the ones that you actually have to prepare, they come with a book. And in the book, they have the instructions on how to prep it. So they go through this, and then they also give you tips. If you look at the other book, they give you a welcome book, and they tell you about like kind of pro tips, like how to substitute ingredients, or if you're trying to make a dinner party with the same recipe, you can actually select when you are ordering your meals, 2 people, 4 people, 6 people, 8 people, et cetera, et cetera. And so they will send you that amount out. So you can actually have a dinner party. Because of the times that we're in, you and your friends could have a dinner party where you order the same meals, and then you can share the same meals, and then you can talk about it. You can have wine with it or whatever. So I like it. And then, like I said, it's recyclable packaging. I have packaged all that was left. So you saw the rice, you saw the beef curry, so I'm good to go. And then we're just gonna go, oh, sorry about that. We're gonna go for this meal. I just wanna see, well, first of all, let's try it. Because I told you I was gonna give you an honest review. Let's try it and see what it's like. Is it restaurant quality? Is it worth eating? Because I don't wanna just prepare it for you and not have you see me taste it, because that would be disingenuous. And I eat a lot of Asian food, and I've lived and traveled to Asia a lot. So we're gonna see if this is authentic. That's quite good. Because it lacks the spiciness that I normally would ask for if I went to a restaurant. I taste the sweetness, but I like it. You can definitely taste the lemongrass. You can definitely taste the coconut milk. The ingredients are fresh, and they're all organic, like I said. And it's surprisingly authentic. This one I definitely recommend. I would order this actual meal again. Now, because I'm a crazy person, or some of my friends would say he's a fool, I'm gonna spice it up with Eye of the Scorpion. But again, remember, I learned the tactic. just enough to go on the tongs of a fork for the eye of the scorpion. And then you want to mix it in. Never, 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 ever eat it straight like I did in one of my previous videos, because it's just not a good day. The reason I initially didn't like the eye of the scorpion is because it didn't have a distinctive taste. But the beauty of the eye of the scorpion is that I put the pepper in there and I feel the heat, but it didn't take away any of the flavors. Didn't take away the coconut, didn't take away the lemongrass. I can taste the individual peas, the rice, the beef, the curry, nothing. So remember what you saw me do. The tongs of the fork into the sauce. That's it. That's all you need to spice up your dish. And then mix it in. And now my dish is perfectly spiced. Try it again. Yeah, that's perfect. I mean, like, Sunbasket, you definitely get 2 thumbs up. My rating on Sunbasket so far is, and I'll redo it if I find another one that's better. I'm gonna give this a B+. Reason I'm not giving it an A is because it's my first time out there. I'm gonna give it a B+. Now, in terms of meal quality, this goes on my A list. The Panang beef, I would order this again. It's very nice. Very nice. And then adding the pepper to it makes it even nicer. And the rice is fine. The one thing I like, really long grain jasmine rice, and this jasmine rice I find is a little short or broken. So, but that could be a function of how they have to prepare it so they can ship it to you. So if you choose to not use their rice, you can just prepare your own jasmine rice with peas. The peas are perfect. They're not mushy. And like I said, I put it in my microwave for 1.5 minutes. And my microwave is actually pretty strong. So I would say if you haven't tried these meals at home, remember, we're home for the long haul. We're sheltering in place. They deliver this. Everything's packed inside a box, surrounded by ice. Inside paper bags. So I would say you should try it. I don't have anything else to say. Please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I say it all the time, but please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Send me your suggestions down at the bottom. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of the meals, but if you specifically tried this one, let me know. Again, I'm gonna give a shout out to the eye of the scorpion people. I was wrong. Your sauce is actually pretty, it's nice. And if used properly, it made this meal, it complemented this meal so nicely. Like, I just taste the slight heat, but it doesn't affect the flavor. It's your boy GB Reviews. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like below, and I'm out. Subscribe and like below. Out.
Subscribe, but like below.